Hi, it's Kim Gaffett, the OVF Naturalist with the Nature Conservancy here on Black Island, and I've just been alerted to this unfortunately dead Razorbill auk. And a Razorbill auk is an ocean seabird. It's a bird that we hardly ever see here at land because they spend all of their time at sea. In the southern hemisphere, this was replaced by the penguin family. In the northern hemisphere, we have auks. They are known, this family, the alcids, by their bills. Check out this bill on this razorbill. It's very thin vertically, has that wonderful white stripe. That bill is perfect for snapping up fish while it dives underwater. It does all its eating underwater. It swims with these wonderful, it uses its wings sort of like a like fins for a fish, so it can swim using its wings for fins. And then of course these are great, they can also fly with these wings, although fast rapid beats. Wonderful plumage, very dark and white of course, but on the side sometimes you can see this beautiful white line right here. So Razorbill auk spends almost all of its life at sea. In the winter out in the North Atlantic between the American coastline and the European coastline, and then they nest on rocky cliffs in the Arctic during the brief nesting period in spring. So this Razorbill auk just landed here. It was in the breakwater. It was full of sand. It probably got stuck there. We've had some rough weather lately. So Razorbill auk.